Changing your payout method on user testing is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your payments through your preferred method. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your user testing account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Payout Preferences or Payment Methods. Click on this option to view your current payout method and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Review the list of payout methods available to you. Select the one you wish to switch to, such as PayPal, bank transfer, or any other option provided by user testing. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After selecting your new payout method, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You may need to enter additional information or verify your identity depending on the method selected. Once you've completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure that payments are being processed correctly.